Where will we go? Who will we be? What will we do? Who will we see? It sure will be fun. That much we know. Go, go, kitties, let's go. Go, kitty, kitties, let's go. Oh!
Kate, you okay?
It's almost bleeding. I need a Band-Aid.
Oh, I'll get one.
Oh, so much pain.
Anything else?
And strawberry ice cream, please.
Ow, my knee. I can't walk.
Maybe a story will help.
Yeah.
Ow!
I know a good one. It's an almost true story called The Wolfington News. Once upon a time lived Empress Wolfina and her advisor, Sir Sheepalot.
I just love sheep's clothing.
Her land spread far and wide, but she had no idea what was happening in her kingdom.
You think the Empress knows about our skipping festival?
What? We have an Empress?
She also had no idea about the weather.
What a lovely day. Ugh. What that Empress needs is news.
Hey, we can be TV reporters and tell her everything.
Sure you can do it with your injuries?
I think so.
Go, kitty kitties, let's go! Empress!
We're your new TV reporters.
How wonderful! What's a TV?
And now, the Wolfington News.
Today, Sir Sheepalot had a record-breaking shearing.
It's true. All this from one sheep.
Impressive! That's enough for 3 sweaters.
And then, Sir Sheepalot ate 5 bowls of grass for lunch.
5?
'Tis a private matter.
I love this news. Any more?
Good news. The clock tower is now the tallest in the world.
Marvelous!
Whoa.
Is that true?
I don't know. I just made it up.
Astronauts report Empress Wolfina's teeth are so shiny they can be seen from space.
Impossible.
Well, I do brush.
And, the number 6
Is actually the same as the number 9.
Yes, and doctors say eating too much chocolate is good for you.
Amazing!
Ha! Where do you get this news? 'Tis fishy. If I were emperor, your news would be banished.
New news!
Sir Sheepalot plans to become new emperor.
And ban all news!
Oh, 'tis not so!
But it must be true. It's on the news. Lock him up! I'm surprised at you.
'Tis fake news, Empress! See, my lady?
Wait a minute. 6 and 9 aren't the same?
Oh, I don't feel good.
The royal reporters are fibbers?
Exactly.
We no longer believe you. You are banished.
And so it was. The reporters left town in disgrace. And then suddenly in the distance, they saw...
Look!
We have to warn the Empress!
King me!
A huge storm's coming!
Enough lies!
Please, believe us!
Your wool! It'll be blown away!
Look, it's a lovely day. Oh no, my wool!
The Empress forgave her reporters.
You may return under one condition.
Kit and Kate will be back with the news once they've picked up the most amazing, softest royal wool ever.
It's kinda itchy.
What?
It is a bit.
Great story, Grandpa.
You know, I think we should skip the playground today. You two need rest while you're hurt.
My knee! It's better!
My leg, too!
Amazing!
I think your story made us all better.
It's true!
kittens, it's time for your soccer game.
Me and Hoppy are ready. Boing, boing, boing.
Hold everything! I can't play the game. I'm missing Cuddly, my good luck cow.
All right.
While Dad looks for Cuddly, why don't we make up a story together?
Yeah, about a cow.
Who jumps really high.
How high?
Over the moon! Once upon a time, there was a cow named Mama Moo.
And she was the greatest jumping cow in the world.
Folks would come every month from far and wide to watch Mama Moo jump over the moon.
Moo!
Your mom's the greatest.
And Mama Moo always landed in style.
Ow! I think I hurt my leg.
Sorry, but it looks like your moon jumping days are over.
Bo, that means on the next full moon, it's your turn to jump over it.
Me? Jump over the moon? Wow! But everyone will be watching. I can't do it.
Don't worry, Bo. I get a little nervous, too. That's why I have my good lucky ping pong ball. Pachoo. Want to try it?
No thanks, Mom. I'll get my own lucky ball. With my lucky bouncy ball, I can jump over that stool. Okay, not bad. Next, I'll jump over that fence. But I'll need my lucky soccer ball to do that. Ha-ha! What's next?
Hey!
Yes!
Hey!
All right! Woohoo!
You ready to jump over the moon, Bo? It's time.
Sure, but for that I'll need to add this lucky cannonball. What am I going to do? Wait, if I put them in that airplane, they can fly next to me when I jump over the moon. But who will be the pilots?
Kate, we can be the pilots for Bo.
Yeah, and fly right next to her with her good luck balls. Go, kitty kitties, let's go! Pilots Kit and Kate reporting for duty.
We'll get these balls loaded up.
And you'll have all the luck you need.
A ton of it.
Your good luck is all loaded.
Then let's do this thing. Wish me luck?
What for? You got all the luck you need in the back of this plane.
I'm gonna make it, thanks to you and those lucky balls. Moo!
She did it!
She still has to land.
She might even be better than her mama. Don't get carried away.
Way to go, Bo.
I knew I could do it with these lucky balls by my side. Hey, what are the balls doing here?
Sorry, Bo, but they were here the whole time.
You mean I made that jump all by myself?
You sure did.
Amusing!
Thanks for the story, Mom.
Sorry, Kate, but I couldn't find your good luck cow.
That's okay, Dad. I'm ready for this game. I can play without her. Besides, Peggy'll give me all the luck I need.
Let's do this thing.